In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a dedicated email domain in GoHighLevel. Setting up a dedicated email domain is really important if you want better email deliverability and more professional looking messages from your own domain instead of a generic sender. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is usually the main starting area when you open a specific location in GoHighLevel. Make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where you actually want to send emails from. Once you're in the Launchpad, look for the Settings option, typically in the left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where GoHighLevel keeps all of the configuration options for your account, including company information, integrations, and email setup. Inside Settings, find and click on Email Services. This is the section that controls how your emails are sent, including SMTP and domain configurations. Give the page a second to load if needed. On the Email Services page, you should see an option called Dedicated Domain. Click on that. A dedicated domain tells email providers like Gmail or Outlook that GoHighLevel has permission to send email on behalf of your domain, which helps with trust and inbox placement. Next, click on the button that says Add Domain. A form will appear asking for your domain name. In the domain field, type in the domain you want to use for sending emails. Usually, this will be your main business domain, without HTTP or www in front of it. Just the plain domain, like yourcompany.com. After you've entered your domain, click on Add and Verify. GoHighLevel will now generate a set of DNS records that you need to add to your domain provider, such as your registrar or hosting company. When you see the records on the screen, click Continue to move to the next step where those records are displayed in detail. You'll see several DNS records, often including TXT, CNAME, and sometimes MX or other record types. Carefully copy each record one by one and paste them into the DNS settings area of your domain provider. Be sure to match the type, the host or name field, and the value exactly as shown in GoHighLevel. Save each record on your provider's side. Once all the DNS records have been added and saved with your domain provider, come back to GoHighLevel and click on Verify Records. It may take a few minutes for DNS changes to propagate, so if verification fails initially, wait a bit and try again. When the records verify successfully, your dedicated email domain is ready, and GoHighLevel can start sending emails from your domain with improved deliverability.